Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to extend volume using MiniTool Partition wizard. Type MiniTool in browser search bar. Click MiniTool Solutions. Click Download. Click Free Download under MiniTool Partition wizard. Click Start Download. Open downloaded file. Click Yes to continue. Click Next to continue. Click Finish. Right-click Drive, click Extend. Select unallocated space or another drive. Move to desired value. Click OK. Click Apply. Click Yes to continue. Click OK. Type Disk Management in Windows search bar. Click Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions. Your drive successfully extended. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.